Hello everyone, this is Abhay Kumar from Designs by Ariya. In this video, we are going to look at how to fix bathroom tiles in a step-by-step procedure. This video is designed not only for laborers, vendors and site supervisors, but also for architectural, civil, structural and interior design students. This video will help you understand the process and techniques tile fixing involves. Before starting the process of tile fixing, the required plumbing works are completed on the walls and floor of the toilet. Make sure your surface is clean, smooth and dry. The cement plaster is prepared by mixing cement and M-sand at a ratio of 1:3 or 1:4 as specified. Be mindful to mix only enough of the plaster to be used within 30 minutes. Before plastering, the wall surface is made wet by pouring water. In this method, cement is used as a binding material. Adhesive is not used considering its cost. A thin wall plaster is necessary for a wet, smooth and level surface. Take a note of the consistency of the plaster. Make sure the bathroom fittings and pipe ends are covered using protective caps to prevent damages. Once the plaster is applied, it is important to level the surface for an even and smooth finish. A float trowel can be used to level the surface. Add more plaster where it is required and the surface is now ready for tile installation. The first and important step is to mark the start tile on the plastered wall. Notice that tile laying is started by marking 3 complete tiles from the lintel level. The tile size used here is 2 by 2. The bottom line is fixed only after the floor tiles are laid. This is to prevent seepage of water through edges and lay the bottom line according to the slope of the floor. This also helps us in giving a neat and clean finish. Once the start tile is marked, the tile is fixed by applying the plaster evenly on the rear side of the tile. The plaster used here is a paste of cement and water. Once the tile is placed on the wall surface, the tile is gently pressed for the paste to spread evenly. A support is kept to withstand the tile till it gets fixed. Once this is done, the tile is tapped using a hammer or wood block to ensure a solid bond and level plane. An important point of the process is to cut tile as needed. The tile needs to be cut wherever the bath fittings are placed. Hence, mark reference points for the cuts to be on the tile surface using a pencil. A tile cutter is used to achieve pinpoint, straight or diagonal cuts. After fixing the wall tiles, the tile joints are packed with epoxy paste for a neat and tidy finish. Epoxy paste of required color can be prepared and used. Before fixing the bottom row of wall tiles, the floor tiles needs to be fixed. We know that the bathroom floor needs to have a gradual slope to take out water from the drain. To get the required slope, the sunken is filled with a mixture of sand and cement. Higher and lower levels from the wall tiles are marked for the filling. After filling, the surface is leveled and is now ready for fixing the floor tiles. A thin liquid paste of cement is spread on the surface as a binding material to fix the tiles. Spacers of 3 mm thickness are placed between the tiles to ensure that the joints between the tiles are of consistent width. This allows for an even finish when it's time to grout your tiles. If a half or quarter tile is required during the tile fixing, a manual tile cutter can be used to get a neatly cut tile for fixing. Hope you liked our video. Put down your queries in the comment section below. Share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching this video.